everybody, it's Renee here. I just wanted to let you know that I have launched my Scrap Trinkets line again. I had this line back in probably 2003. I started it, and it was a division of my old business, Love to Scrap. But since I no longer have that business, it is now part of my Create and Play with Renee line. So I will be selling stuff on my Facebook page as well as on my Etsy store. So check out the links in the description, and my Etsy link will be linked there so you can check out what I have. I am going to show you a couple things that I do have. It's a process and I will be adding things all the time, but there's some very cool things, and it's great for scrapbookers, planners, any kind of paper crafter really. Like I said, I'm adding stuff all the time. If there's different things you'd like to see, let me know. I am coming up with a sticker line hopefully soon, but there's lots of neat things, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So let's take a look. One thing I have is I have a sequins line, and I'm going to show you some of these awesome colors. I'm going to hold them up so you can hopefully see them. Took some pictures on my Facebook and put them on there, but they were not good because of the glare. There's a whole bunch of different ones. I have more than I can begin to show you, but I have so many different colors. You'll have to check them out. And there's not many colors I don't have. Another group of things that I do have are the wooden ladybugs, which I think is really cool. We have wooden ladybugs, which is really neat. And I also have the wooden bumblebees. So there's packs of those. Pretty cool. And like most places, I have wooden bits. So there's wooden bits, a whole bunch of different ones. I will also have themed things for Christmas. And another thing I have Fruitios. This is some packaging, but I'll have different packaging as well. These are Fruitios. And then these are Fruity Dots. So with these, you just add your own adhesive, whatever you want to use, and pop them down there like enamel dots. So I have those. I have packs of loop pins, so you can get packs of loop pins. And I have tons more things like that. Again, lots of different variety, lots of different colors. I also have packs of gears. So any of you guys that like that industrial look, or you're into the steampunk, I've got gears. And the big thing I have are junk journal kits. So with some of these, they will have these kind of items, but not exclusive to these. Some of them might be slightly different depending on quantity levels. I did not tea dye anything because not everybody likes tea dye, so I thought I will leave that up to you. So you'll get an assortment of awesome things just like these. So I'll show you these. I hope you enjoy these. I have lots of other ones coming, and some of these you get multiple sheets of similar things. So again, didn't tea dye, but please go ahead if that's something you want to do. Tea dye to your heart's content. I love this collection and this selection of different items. I really think that there's so many different things you could do with this. And I mean, for you, if you were to go out and try and buy all these individual things, it would cost you a heck of a lot more than it does to just buy the pack. So I really think this is a really neat set. Again, you can use it for your junk journaling, your planning, scrapbooks, whatever. This is a map. Most of these there will be a map. And different ephemera. They're not all like this. You'll have different ephemera. And come the holidays, there will also be themed kits as well. So this is a really fun little project I'm doing. And like I said before, I did this before. I had this line before, and I stopped it because things got in the way, which is life, and raising kids, and then also going back to my full-time job. So with this, Scrap Trinkets is back. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Enjoy my channel. I hope you like those videos. Hit that like. That really helps me out so I can get noticed and get the word of Scrap Trinkets and Create and Play with Renee out. And also, hit that bell notification so you get all the videos up front right away. And check out my Facebook and my Instagram and my blog. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.